Okay, so good day everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your teacher Marielle, and for today's tutorial, I will discuss the conic section of a circle. So this topic will give you an overview of a conic section, definition and equation of a circle, and finding the equation of a circle. So conic section is an intersection of a plane and a cone. Observe the shape of the slice that results. The angle at which the cone produces four different types of conic section, which is the parabola, circle, ellipse, and hyperbola. Circle is consists of all points on the plane equidistant from a fixed point called the center. The distance from the center to any point on a circle is constant and is called the radius of a circle. So this is the center, and all points are from the center to any point that is called the radius. So the standard form of equation of a circle. So if the center of a circle is at origin, the equation will be x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared, where r is the radius. While if the center of a circle is at h and k, the equation will be the quantity of x minus h squared plus the quantity of y minus k squared is equals to r squared. Now let's find the equation of a circle using the center and the radius. Example number 1. Find the equation of a circle with the center at the origin and radius is 5 units. So since the center is at origin, so that will be 0, 0, and the radius is r. So if the equation or the center of a circle is at origin, the value or the formula or the equation will be x squared plus y squared is equals to r squared. So let's substitute. The r squared will be 5 and the center will be 0, 0. So this will be remain x squared plus y squared is equal r is 5, so that will be 5 squared. So x squared plus y squared is 5 squared is 25. So the equation of a circle will be x squared plus y squared is equals to 25. Next is example number 2. Find the equation of a circle centered at 2 and negative 5 with the radius of 10. So the center will be 2 to negative 5 and radius is 10. So since the circle or the center of a circle is at h and k, so let's substitute. No, the equation will be the quantity of x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equals to r squared. So h will be 2 and k will be negative 5 and r will be 10. So when substituting from positive, mahimo na siya negative, no? Since positive times negative is negative. So from negative, mahimo siya positive, since negative times negative is positive. So that will be x minus 2 squared plus y plus 5 squared is equals to 10 squared. Then simplify, that will be x minus 2 squared plus y plus 5 squared is equals to 10 squared is 100. So this will be the equation of a circle with a center 2 and negative 5 with the radius of 10. Next is the center radius form B. So now we will write the general form into standard form or radius form of a circle. So how could we transform the equation of the circle from general form to standard form? Example, We have here the general form x squared plus y squared plus 8x plus 2y plus 16 is equals to 0. And we will transform this general form into standard form. So first is we complete the square of trinomial. So in completing the square of trinomial, simply get the middle term divided by 2 and then squared. So the middle term here is 8 divided 2 is 4, then squared is 16. Then the middle term of uh, there this side is 2 divided by 2 is 1, then 1 squared is 1. So since we add 16 and 1 on this side, we also add 16 and 1 to the other side. Next is after completing the square of trinomial, we need to make this as square of binomial. So in making the square of binomial, so simply get the square root of x, which is x, the square root of 16, which is 4, then copy the middle sign, this first sign, and then square root of y squared is y, square root of 1 is 1, and then square root of 1 is 1, and then simplify negative 16 plus 16 is 0, plus 1 is 1. So this will be the standard form or the center radius form from this general form of the circle. So from this standard form, we can now determine the h and k of the circle. So the center will be negative 4 and negative 1. So since this is positive, may masyag negative, and the radius is 1. So to plot this into the graph, the center will be negative 4 and negative 1. So negative 4 is our x-axis and negative 1 is our y-axis. So this is our center. And the radius is 1. So we move 1 unit to the right, left, upward, and downward. And then connect those points and this will form as circle. So that would be all. Thank you for listening.